Welcome to Inner Sun. Whether you're brand new to yoga or looking to improve your range of motion, this class will help you move with more ease and awareness. I invite you to let go of any expectations and simply focus on feeling good in your body. As we move through today's practice, breathe deeply and let each stretch feel natural. Before we begin, if you find this class helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a session. Let's take a moment to settle in, find a comfortable seat, have your blocks nearby if you have them. You may close your eyes if you'd like. Take a deep inhale in and a slow breath out. Again, inhale and exhale completely. Let each breath bring you into the present moment. Bring palms up on the inhale. Exhale with a sweeping motion. Exhale. Again, inhale, palms up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Excellent. We'll begin our practice with a seated side bend. Place your left palms on the floor, right fingertips overhead. Hold here. Ground both of your sit bones. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Pay attention to your breath. Excellent. Go ahead and switch side. Right palms on the floor, left fingertips overhead. Feeling the entire side of the body opened up. Focus on your breath. Relax your face, relax your jaws. Good. Come back to center. Do a core twist here. Start by warming up our center. Pay attention to your breathing and go ahead and twist to the left. Hold this twist. Inhale, bring the chest up. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Good job. Go ahead and twist to the right now. Again, pay attention to your breath. Deep inhale from the base of your spine. Deep exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Good job, everyone. Come back to center. Now get on all four, neutral tabletop position. Make sure that your shoulders directly stack on top of your wrists, hips stack on top of your knees. Inhale, arch the back as you look up for cow pose. Deep exhale, cat pose, round the spine. Continue with this cat-cow motion. Synchronize your breath with movement. Exhale as you round the spine. Take a deep inhale as you arch the back. Continue on your own. Pay attention to your breath. Move mindfully and slowly with your breath. Excellent. Go ahead and bring your right foot forward for pigeon pose. Make sure that your front foot is flexed to protect the knee. Deep breath from the base of your spine. Feeling your groin and your inner thighs and your hips stretched out here. Excellent. Go ahead and switch side. Left leg forward. Again, make sure that the front foot is flexed. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. And breathe. If your hips feel tight over here, release it more and more with your exhale. From here, we'll do a quick break in child's pose. So bring your knees wide, big toes together, forehead onto the ground. Connect with your breath. Or you're also welcome to use a block underneath your forehead. Feel the stretch at the back of your hips. Excellent. Lift up and make your way into down dog. You're also welcome to use your blocks here. Start by pedaling your knees one at a time. Focus on lengthening the spine. So if you need to bend your knees, that's completely okay. You're welcome to also adjust the length of the blocks or the height of blocks. Focus on lengthening your spine and lifting the hips towards the sky. Deep breaths here. Excellent. From here, we're gonna go ahead and come to Cobra pose. Move your neck side to side if that feels good and accessible. You're also welcome to be on Sphinx pose, which is on your forearms, like so. Feel your body and adjust as needed. The idea is to bring your chest forward, draw the shoulders away from the ears, and breathe here. Excellent. Now we're gonna go ahead and get ready for our lizard pose. So bring your right foot forward into a low lunge. You may use blocks here to support your hands. And as you're ready, you may remove the blocks and get on your forearms here for a deeper stretch. If this is too much for your body currently, you're always welcome to use blocks. Breathe, feeling the hip flexor muscles releasing. Relax your face, relax your jaws. If you're noticing that your body's holding on to anything, release it with your exhale. Excellent. Go ahead and switch side now. Connect with your breath, and as you're ready, come to your forearms. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, release more. Excellent. We're gonna go ahead and rest in child's pose. Bring your forehead onto the mat. You may face your palms up to rest the wrists. And we're coming into the end of our practice. Connect back to your breath. Connect back to your body. Thank you so much for tuning in today. And again, if you find this class helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a session. And until next time, I wish you a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Namaste.